Channel Advisor provides users with the ability to upload inventory into their accounts via FTP. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is a secure method of data transfer which allows you to create a product file and upload it over the internet without having to log into the Channel Advisor user interface. The file that you submit can be in the Channel Advisor Inventory Upload Spreadsheet format, or it can be in your own custom format. If you're using a custom format file or wish to manipulate your data prior to adding, you must configure a template that maps your file's fields to the Channel Advisor inventory fields. Please view the video on this topic in our Strategy and Support Center for more information. There is no required file naming convention for your uploaded file. However, the file must be saved in a tab delimited or pipe delimited format. Once you have your file named and saved properly, you'll want to enable your account to receive this file. This area can be accessed from the following area in the software: Inventory, Settings, FTP HTTP Settings. Here on this page, you'll see a button titled Add Poll Configuration. Channel Advisor can retrieve your file feed using one of 4 different methods. Using FTP Push, your data file is pushed to the Channel Advisor FTP server using a script written by a developer on your side. The script transfers the file daily to our FTP server. With FTP Pull, Channel Advisor logs into your FTP location to retrieve your data file. Typically, a developer on your side writes a scheduled script that copies the data file to your FTP server daily. Using the HTTP Pull method, Channel Advisor downloads your data file from a web address or URL. Typically, a developer on your side writes a scheduled script that copies the data file to the web address or URL daily. The HTTPS Pull method is a method similar to HTTP Pull, except the web address requires authentication to access. By default, our system is set up to retrieve your file via the FTP Push method. If you would like to set it up for one of these 3 pull methods, then select Add Poll Configuration button to configure it. Once you've decided on your preferred method, select Edit to navigate to the account settings for configuration. I selected the FTP Push method for my inventory upload. First, set up your own unique login prefix. This prefix will be appended to your current Channel Advisor login when used for FTPing inventory. For example, my login prefix will be myftp1. So, when I log into the Channel Advisor software using FTP, my username will be myftp1, and then my original email login. Check this box to enable FTP processing. Here, you'll select the file delimiter you're using for your saved inventory file. This area determines how your inventory upload file will be processed. Choose the appropriate option here so Channel Advisor can interpret how you would like to have the data file processed. The All option will process the entire file contents you're uploading. New Only will process only SKUs on the spreadsheet that do not already exist in your account. Updates Only will process only SKUs that already exist in your account. And Detect Dropped Items will process the entire file. However, for any existing SKUs not included in this file, it will set the quantity to 0. Selecting one of these options will process all uploaded files in that method. If you're uploading a custom file and have configured a template, select the template you'd like to apply to the incoming inventory here. Channel Advisor also provides the ability to append a prefix to your file name to determine how the file will be processed. Please note that your custom prefix appended to this file will override the settings above. These file prefix names can be changed in this area to suit your business needs. If you'd like to change these prefixes, do so in this section here. Once your FTP settings are configured, press the Save button. Next, open your preferred FTP software and configure the account with your user ID and password. The server host name you should be using is ftp.channeladvisor.com. Once you connect, you'll see a number of directories used for various types of uploads. Your inventory file should be uploaded to the inventory directory. However, if you're using a custom file with an inventory template, This file will need to be uploaded to the transform directory inside the inventory directory. In order to see the status of an FTP'd file, log into Channel Advisor and navigate to Inventory, All Products, Upload Download Status. Here, you'll see an entry for your FTP'd file. If the file fails a pre-processing validation, you'll still see an entry for the file and a link to the errors. Channel Advisor provides a response file that includes the status of each line in the inventory upload file. The response file is dropped in the inventory directory on your FTP site every time an upload runs. The file is named using the original file name with _response appended to it. With this functionality, you can fully automate the process of uploading data into Channel Advisor.